Hello everyone. In our last video, we saw how to program LED. LED was an output device. Earlier, we have also seen how to program a motor, one more output device. In this video, we will learn how to program one more output device, that is a speaker. A speaker produces sound by converting electrical signals into mechanical energy that actually vibrates the diaphragm, thus producing sound by pushing air molecules around the diaphragm. Now, how does this happen? When an electrical signal equivalent to certain specific sound pattern is passed through the electrical wires to the voice cone, this actually acts as a electromagnet. So this electrical signal switches on and switches off the electromagnet, or it's energized and de-energized based on the sound pattern which we are trying to recreate. Because this electromagnet gets energized and de-energized, it attracts and repels a permanent magnet, thus producing a very fast movement of permanent magnet. This permanent magnet is attached to a diaphragm, and this electrical signal is now converted into to and fro motion of the diaphragm. This is very fast movement, and this movement actually pushes the air molecules around it, and this air molecule actually creates the sound wave. Now this is what happens in speaker, but how do we control speaker using Arduino? So using Arduino, what we do is we create this sound pattern by way of passing different frequencies. So let's see how do we write a program to create a sound pattern using speaker. We are going to write a program to play the song Happy Birthday to You. So which all commands we need? We go to the Arduino command. So let me show you. Here we have this important command, play tone. Play tone pin, here is the pin number, on note, here is the note, beat, and then here is the beat. Now what does these three things mean? This pin is obviously the pin number where we are connecting the speaker. The speaker, like LED, has two connections. One is given to the ground and another one is connected to the pin, digital pin of the Arduino board. Now in this case, we are using pin number 9. Then we tell it to play the notes. These notes are nothing but different frequencies. So here we are going to use the 4th octave. So C4 is the frequency which we are going to send to Arduino. And beat is how long this frequency should be played. So there are different beats like half, quarter, eighth, whole, double, zero. So this is how long the note will be played. Now, if I want to play Happy Birthday to You, I need to know the notes which make this song. So for the first two lines, we'll only do those here. I know the notes. So the notes are CCD, C, F, E, CCD, C, G, F. I'll repeat them. CCD, C, F, E, CCD, C, G, F. For each note, we need one command. So play tone C4 here. Now second one is CCD. So second is again C. Third is the D1. So D4 I will choose. Then I have C again. So CCD, CFE. One more and one more. CCD, CFE. And that plays the first line, Happy Birthday to You. But when you play this, it will not sound correct because the amount every note is played may be different. Like in this case, when we say happy birthday to you, the happy comes very fast. So here I actually need quarter beat for these two notes. And this is going to play the first line. Now second line, before I go to the second line, I'll just put a small wait, maybe 0.5 seconds. Because when I say the line, when I sing those lines, I take a pause. And that is the pause which we are going to give. I'll just duplicate this once again. The second set of notes were CCD, C, G, F. So C, C, D, C, these are same, C, C, D, C, G, F. So this actually will play the first two lines of the song Happy Birthday. So that is happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Now there is a small change in these last two notes, and you will be able to make out that these two lines, because of these two notes, they sound a little different and they sound as what they should. Now, of course, for any program to run, what we need is the head block. So I'll put the head block here. You can observe here for every note, there is a different frequency. I can show you here. This is the frequency for note C4. Then if I see the D note, the frequency is 294 here. So for every note, there is a different frequency at which our sound wave is created. So this is a program for happy birthday to you. Make this program, connect the speaker, upload the program in Arduino, and run it. And definitely you can go on internet and find out the notes for the next lines, and you can complete the song. Happy making.